Hello students, today also I am going to continue chapter 5 profit, loss and discount. Students, today's topic is goods and services. Good and services abbreviated as GST. Students, first of all we will know about GST. GST is an indirect टैक्स। जीएसटी क्या है? एक इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स है एप्लीकेबल थ्रू आउट इंडिया which has replaced multiple taxes levied by the central and a state government. Okay, students, GST comprises central GST abbreviated as CGST, levied by center. Number 2, a state GST abbreviated by SGST, levied by a state. Next, integrated GST abbreviated by IGST, levied by center on interstate supply. Interstate supply of goods and services. Okay students, now we will look at following examples to understand GST. Example 1. Meera bought an AC for rupees 22,000 including GST of 28%. Find the price of the AC before GST was added. solution. Let price of the AC before GST was added be रुपीज एक्स, इसको हमने एक्स मान लिया. देन स्टूडेंट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, cost price of AC, actual cost price of AC and plus GST equal to 22,000. Okay, तो cost price plus GST equal to rupees 22,000. तो cost price हमने क्या माना है, x प्लस GST on x 28% of x equal to 22,000. Now x plus 28 by 100 into x equal to 22,000 equal to 28 is divided by 4 7 times and 100 is divided by 4 25 times. So equal to 25x plus 7x by 25 equal to 22,000. Imply 32x by 25 equal to 22,000. Okay, so x is equal to 22,000 into 25 divided by 32. 32 is divided by 16 2 times. 32 is divided by 2 16 times, and this is divided by 2 11,000 times. Next, 16 is divided by 8 2 times, and this is divided by 8 1375 times. So equal to 1375 into 25 by 2 equal to 34,375 divided by 2 equal to rupees 17,187.50. This is our answer, students. Example 2. Anuj buys a pair of Nike shoes for rupees 6,000 and GST is charged on it at 18%. Find the amount that Anuj pays for the shoes. Solution. Cost of a pair of shoes equal to rupees 6,000. GST equal to 18% of rupees 6,000 equal to 18 by 100 into 6,000. 0 to 0 cancel. 18 6 100, 8 and this 0, and 10,180. So total amount paid by Anuj equal to rupees 6,000 plus rupees 1080 equal to rupees 7,080. This is our answer, students. Thank you for watching my video.